Alright guys, thank you for checking in Stormtopia.com, the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We're going to have our daily weather update right now. Of course, looking towards the big storm possible here as we make our way further out on in through time. Let's take a look here at what my map expectation is. Basically, I've highlighted into 3 danger areas, so to speak, or snow lover areas. We got area 1, 2, and 3 here. Area 1, my text is I'm not expecting a major storm, likely just clipper impacts. And what you see here is you can view this map below the video on Stormtopia.com with the PV probably somewhere in here, polar vortex. The clipper passes in here. It just creates light snow with likely high ratios for a lot of the upper Midwest into the Ohio Valley. Area number 2, I'm looking probably still at a clipper here for a lot of the Mid-Atlantic, but I'm not ruling out the chance for a big storm, okay? So that's area number 2. Area number 3, likely to be where the storm intensifies. If it does intensify, best chance for seeing a Norlon trough here from southern New England into eastern New England into Maine, and that's your best chance of seeing significant snowfall at this point. So again guys, no risk here in the Midwest, some risk in the Mid-Atlantic, but the highest being in eastern New England. Now we take a look here at some of my reasoning. Let's take a look at some of the different guidance products. Start you off now with the latest and greatest 12Z GFS. And here it is. If I can kind of show you, looks like the PV is somewhere in here. Here's a storm passing to the southeast. Oh, the storm goes offshore, but then it's enough precip to wrap around. The Norlon trough sets up in eastern Massachusetts, and there goes the control. But the Norlon trough sets up in eastern Massachusetts. Snow falls at rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour with blizzard conditions through the day on Saturday, into the morning hours of Saturday, through the nighttime hours of Saturday, through the day on Sunday. Low pressure center stalls off Nantucket. Heavy snow continues through the day on Sunday and Sunday night. You're thinking, oh, you know, good 36-hour snow event. At times you're snowing 2 to 4 inches an hour. 4 inches of QPF across southeast Mass. That's 4 feet of snow for 10 to 1 ratio. So, the latest GFS. I don't know, you see 4 feet of snow. But man, oh man, that could be significant. Now we take a look here at the European. This is, of course, the 12Z guidance run here. Is this the 12Z or the 0Z? Okay, so the 12Z Euro run. Here's the PV here, and here's a storm passing to the southeast. Alright, it comes over through here, and again guys, it's not like it's none snow for the Mid-Atlantic, okay? It just shows maybe 6 to 12, probably 4 to 8 for a lot of southern New England. 12Z, latest Euro. The 0Z Euro, man oh man, we'll take a look here. It seems a little disjointed and inaccurate in my opinion. And here you can see what I'm talking about. Here's the low pressure center of the clipper. Here's the polar vortex. I don't really know what the heck happens, but the storm apparently digs in as the trough really digs in. Goes off the coast. Looks like multiple low pressure centers, and then all of a sudden it converts into one, bombs out, and there's a blizzard here for the East Coast. And it's funny because, you know, based on the Euro for the East Coast, you know, you'd see Blizzard 2011 less than 2 weeks after Blizzard 2010. So I don't know. You know, you will have to see, but I don't think the 0-0 is right, guys. I think the 12Z GFS might be right, but 0-0, yeah, I don't think so. The Canadian isn't out all the way here. What it shows is a little light precip here for the south coast of New England. Canadian isn't totally writing this off, because I do see the hint of a negative Norlon trough or something of the nature, inverted trough here, but I don't really see it picking up on the precip, which might be one of the Canadians' convective feedback issues. We take a look at the DJEX, and this is exactly what I am talking about, guys. Very light for most of this area, but where you see the Norlon trough on the DJEX, it's through Maine. You've got 1.25 inches of QPF in 6 hours. Okay, you do the math with the ratio, that's 18 inches of snow in 6 hours. And that's 3 inches per hour. If you think you're going to drive in 3 inch per hour snows, then you're going to be adding to the, you're going to be a statistic, okay? Because this storm would really pound areas with that mesocyclonic Norlon trough banding, which becomes the concern, which becomes the possibility. That is when you see your 4 feet, okay? Whether or not you see it, which you probably wouldn't, but we'll just have to see. Alright, I've blabbed on enough, and I hope I was useful. I hope you enjoyed this forecast video. Please spread the word about our website, and have a great day.